Imagine you're sitting in Chip Huyen's bustling AI lab late at night. Screens glow with streams of data, but it's not the messy math that steals your attention. It's the giant foundation model humming in the background, ready to power apps that barely existed a year ago. But here's the catch. As AI powers up, so does the risk of catastrophic failure. How do you build apps that aren't just impressive demos but robust, trustworthy tools? That's the puzzle Chip unpacks in AI engineering. Chip kicks off by blowing up the old machine learning playbook, showing us why AI engineering isn't just ML2. It's a shift tectonic enough to rewrite the rules of software development. At a meetup in San Francisco, Chip tells the story of a startup trying to deploy a chatbot using traditional ML techniques. They hit walls, sluggish models, brittle responses, and costly retraining. AI engineering flips that script by treating massive pre-trained models as modular parts, so developers build smarter apps faster. Think of foundation models as a giant Lego set. Instead of building every brick yourself, you grab powerful, adaptable blocks off the shelf. These blocks have digested mountains of data, from text to images, and you only tweak or direct them with prompts, just like giving a Lego robot new commands instead of rebuilding its parts. Here's the kicker. With more AI embedded everywhere, your app's failure modes multiply. Chip highlights the rise of AI as a judge, a method where AI systems audit and score each other's outputs, catching subtle mistakes humans often miss. This new kind of evaluation isn't just safety, it's the glue holding today's AI apps together. Once you have your foundation model Lego set, how do you make it sing for your unique app? Chip dives into the toolbox, prompt engineering, fine-tuning, RAG agents, all ways to shape raw AI power into purposeful magic. Chip shares a vivid example from a digital health startup that used subtle prompt tweaks to transform a generic language model into a personalized medical assistant. By carefully designing the framing of questions and conditioning the AI's tone, the app went from vague answers to life-saving clarity. Imagine RAG as your model's secret weapon. It fetches relevant documents on the fly before answering a query. Chip explains this by likening it to a savvy librarian who runs to the stacks to grab exactly the book you need. So the AI response is both intelligent and backed by facts. Agents combine several AI models working in concert like a jazz band improvising together. Meanwhile, dataset engineering feeds the AI with curated, high-quality data tuned for your app's goals. Chip warns both strategies enhance sophistication but come with trade-offs: complexity, latency, or maintenance overhead, which no engineer can ignore. It's showtime. You've built your AI app. Now what? Chip unpacks battle-tested strategies to keep your app fast, affordable, and trustworthy once millions are on the line. At Voltron Data, Chip's own team tackled the nightmare of latency when serving foundation models using GPUs. By smartly batching requests and offloading less critical tasks, they sliced response times from seconds to milliseconds, turning a clunky prototype into a user-friendly experience. Picking the wrong benchmark can send you chasing ghosts. Chip illustrates this with a chatbot that aced traditional accuracy tests but bombed real-world user satisfaction. The trick is blending quantitative metrics with human-centered evaluations. Think user surveys, feedback loops, and adversarial testing. Chip closes with a compelling insight. AI application success isn't just about tech. Organizations must invest in continual evaluation and transparency to build user trust. The upfront cost pays off as apps maintain reliability when scaled, making users feel safe inviting AI into their daily lives. Back in that San Francisco lab, the glow of models isn't just code. It's a shift in how we build and trust software. Chip's AI engineering unlocks powerful tools but warns us, with great power comes a new kind of responsibility. So try this. Next time you build an AI app, treat evaluation and adaptation as your top priorities, not just afterthoughts. That's how you turn hype into impact. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.